So we really want to make it even more simple and move forwards so that you basically can do a lot of the configuration directly on the machine. So you don't really need to obviously maintain any servers, roll that in software, just deploy the device, connect it to the internet, and off you go. On the other hand, as I mentioned before, we are in a very lucky position. I mean, NT-ware now exists for 20 years. I'm doing my job for the last 20 years, always the same title. A little bit less coding now than I used to. But the fun part is that what you kind of want to do is that we have 20 years of experience now. The best thing you would like to do is to start over. Because 10 years ago you had to make some decisions, and well, by that time we weren't selling to the world market yet, selling to certain countries. So the ability that we have with uniFLOW Online now is to actually recreate the offering that we've done with uniFLOW Server and really learn from that experience. And that's why we have tons of stuff lined up for uniFLOW Online, and obviously feature by feature we are looking at what functionality is there in the on-premise product that is not yet in the online product. But we are taking our time because we don't want to start building features. We're really approaching this from a customer use case perspective. So we're looking at vertical by vertical, use case by use case, in order to find an easy, intelligent implementation, as opposed to just giving everything to a consultant and saying, here is your product with 5,000 options, super flexible, you figure out what to do. So certainly online is for us a big change in the way we're deploying it, because one of the most important parts for online is the functionality that we all see that is becoming commodity. I mean, an accounting product, yeah, it's very important, and secure printing is very important, but everybody has that. The key is making it super simple to deploy, making it super robust. We heard that before. Printing needs to be, I use your word, idiot-proof, or it needs to be absolutely a commodity. And that's basically something we're really focusing on with our product, and especially with uniFLOW Online. So a lot of functionality is going in vertical by vertical, but in a very customer use case centric function. And obviously when we look at further things that are happening, we very much believe that this hybrid approach, that we say cloud is fantastic, but we cannot say goodbye to anything on premise, or to everything on premise. I mean, after all, the device still sits on premise. And that's obviously a big part of our development, to say where can we get additional benefit by combining on-premise functionality with online functionality. And again, to kind of summarize the close relationship we have with Canon Inc., a fantastic opportunity for us is that we're all working as a team, the people that develop the device, the people that develop the servers, the people that develop the cloud, to find out where does which part of functionality sit best in order to create the best customer value. So for us, it's a very exciting journey going forward, and sorry I don't present you with 10 roadmap slides right now, otherwise we would have a problem. Thank you.